What's up guys, and what just happened? We just got back-to-back Galaxy S23 news, some good and bad. The ever-growing drama regarding Samsung chips grows even more. Plus, we also have the biggest secret regarding the Galaxy Z Fold 4 potentially revealed. We'll talk about everything, so let's get right into it. Let's start with the good news. We have some exclusive information on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, which could actually power all the Galaxy S23 models globally. Yes, people, get very excited. According to Exynos, the initial testing of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 is going very good. In the initial testing, it beats all the Qualcomm chips, including the newly announced Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus chip when it comes to the power efficiency. Qualcomm is the savior that Samsung needs, and they're definitely not playing games. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 is expected to bring some huge CPU and GPU gains, possibly based on 3nm architecture. If Samsung decides to release a Exynos chip, the gap between Qualcomm and Exynos will grow even more. That might not happen, as South Korean media is reporting that Samsung is quitting Exynos for 2 years and bringing Galaxy chipsets for 2025 that's actually going to be as good as Apple's M series chips. But not so fast. Today we have some quite concerning leaks coming to the scene. Despite working on this dream Galaxy chipset, Samsung is still working on Exynos, meaning it's not quite dead. They could still make the mid-range or even high-end Exynos chips. Yes, according to Galaxy Club, the two model numbers are leaked which are linked to the Exynos 1300, which is going to be the mid-range chip possibly for the next A series, and the second chip could be the Exynos 2300. Twitter leakster Roland, with a good track record, mentions that there's an internal code name Quadra for the next high-end Exynos chip. Now we don't know if they're really developing this for the S23 series or possibly for the other brands like Vivo or the Pixel 8 next year. Considering we already know that Samsung is working on this dream Galaxy chip for 2025, I really don't expect or want them to put the Exynos on the S23 series. The best decision for the fans would be to quit Exynos for now. Again, nothing is fully confirmed yet, plans can still change. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Do you want Samsung to go full on Qualcomm globally, or do you want Exynos again? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Also in the news, the biggest secret regarding the Galaxy Z Fold 4 is potentially revealed by Exynos. Has Samsung improved the crease on the Fold 4 or not? And the answer to that question is yes. According to Exynos, the crease is now slightly better than the Fold 3, but still not completely gone. I honestly expected them to completely get rid of the crease, but seems like it's still there, but it is improved. Let's not forget, both Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4 will likely be the most durable foldables on the market that you can pick up with the official IP rating. Samsung is bringing more improvements to the durability thanks to the latest super ultra thin glass. As for the release, the Unpacked event is expected to happen in the month of August. Let me know what you think about everything in the comment section below. The drama regarding the chips keeps on unfolding, but I'll keep you guys updated with the latest scoop, so make sure you subscribe to the channel for everything with the notifications turned on. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.